Okay, so we're trying to think of what it's like on a new planet. And the cool thing about this is we can use our creativity and come up with whatever we want. We want it to be things we've never seen before. So I already drew it with a pencil very lightly, what I want my new planet to look like. And I'm making a landscape, so I'm making a picture of land. Okay, so what I'm doing here is now I'm taking the Sharpie and I'm going over it. And this right here that I'm doing right now, this is my tree. So I thought about what trees look like in real life, and I tried not to draw that kind of tree. I tried to make up my own shape of a tree. So on my planet, this is what trees look like. And I'm going to make another little tree over here. And remember, I did all of this with a pencil first. Okay, and on my planet, there's going to be big zigzag lines for the land. So they're going to be really pointy mountain kind of shapes. Alright, and then I'm going to have a river flowing through all my mountainy shapes. Okay, and then up in my sky I'm going to have 3 moons, because why not? And they're all going to be different sizes, so some are going to be big and some are going to be small. Okay, so here's a landscape of a planet that I've discovered. So you really want to play with different ideas here, okay? Then you want to go back and erase your pencil marks. I did a pretty good job tracing, so I don't have to erase too much. Alright, now you have a choice on how you want to color this in. You can use markers, or I'm going to teach you something fun that we can do with crayons. Got my crayons out, and this right here is a texture plate. So what this is going to create cool designs on your paper. You put this actually underneath your paper, and then you take a color of crayon and you color on top of it. So, but first I have to plan in my head, what color do I want the land, the grass part of my planet to be? So on planet Earth, grass is green. So on this planet, I don't want my grass to be green because I want it to be something we've never seen before. So I'm choosing this kind of violet color. All right, now I'm going to color over this texture plate. And look how I'm kind of just going in the same direction. I'm going side to side. And what's happening, you can see the texture is showing up on my paper. So I'm going to slow down as I get near my river so I don't get outside my lines. But this gives it a really cool effect, and now this is definitely something I've never seen on planet Earth. So now it looks even more like a strange place, a new planet. Want to do the texture plate, you don't have to, you can just color this in regularly, but this is just a fun new thing to try. So now I'm going to color in my tree. So on planet Earth, trees are usually brown with kind of green leaves, so I don't want that. So here I'm going to make my tree blue. And then my river would normally be blue, so I'm going to make that green because I don't want it to look like planet Earth. Okay, and then my suns, obviously, here they are orange or yellow. So on my planet, let's see, what color do I want to make them? I'm going to make them purple. Or maybe, you know what? Never mind, I changed my idea. I'm going to make some of them rainbow. Because why not, right? It's a new planet. I can do what I want here. Slow down when you get close to another shape so you don't get outside your lines. You just slow down. That's how you do it. Okay, so here is a landscape, picture of land, on a new planet I've discovered, and I got to make it all up. Alright, so now that I'm done with my landscape, or my seascape or cityscape of my new planet, now I'm going to make an alien. So, think about, what would an alien look like? Okay, so you want to design your alien. So for me, I'm going to make curved lines. Like that. Okay, and I'm going to cut that out. So your alien can be any color, any shape. We're going to make it out of paper. Recycle my scraps. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take construction paper crayons. These are next door to your regular crayons in your cubby. And you want to create what your alien looks like. Okay? So, here's the eyes. And construction paper crayons are meant to work on construction paper, so on colored paper. So we always use these when we're coloring on colored paper rather than white paper. Okay, draw the type of nose you want. Maybe I'll have my alien have, let's see here, blue teeth instead of white teeth. Then I'm going to go through the collage cart and I'm going to find pieces of paper and any color you want. I'm going to make little legs. So I'm just going to cut this in half. Now I have 2 legs and I'm going to glue them to the bottom of my alien. So I'm actually going to put a little dot, dots not lots, dot. And I'm going to lift up my alien and this is going to go underneath. Like that. Okay? And if you want to make arms, if you want to make a little hairdo, you can do that as well. Okay, so now I'm going to get my landscape back in front of me. And I'm going to glue my alien onto my picture. Okay, so you want to pick where you want the alien. So I'm flipping my alien over. Make a frame, dots in the middle. And there you go. So I made a landscape, seascape, or cityscape in the background. I made texture, I colored it in, and then I collaged my alien and I made it all out of paper. That's what collage means. So now we have what we see on a different planet.